How to design a professional landing page for your product on Shopify easily, step by step. A responsive landing page that boosts your conversion rate and increases your sales. If you haven't registered on Shopify yet, I'll leave a registration link in the video description so you can start creating an online store on Shopify easily. I'll leave the link to this app in the video description. The app offers a free plan that allows you to create one landing page. And if you want to create more landing pages, you'll need to choose one of the paid plans. We start by clicking here to install and set up the app on our store. If you already have products, we will now create a landing page for those products. And if you don't have any products and you're working in dropshipping, I'll leave you a link to Zendrop in the video description. Zendrop provides you with thousands of products that you can work with. We will start by installing this app as well to import products from it. After installing the app, we will go to Find Products and start searching for the product we want to add to our store. For example, I will choose this product. We will start by clicking here on Add to My Products. Then we will go to My Products from here and do Review and Publish. If we go back to the products now, we will find that this product is now available on our store on the regular product page. But now I want to start converting this product into a landing page. We go back again to Apps, select PageFly, then click here on Pages, then click on Create from Template and choose from here Product. We have ready-made pages on PageFly that we can easily edit as shown in front of you. This page can be selected and edited, or any other page. I will choose this page, click on Select, and then it will ask me to choose the product. We start by clicking here, and then clicking on Select Product, and choose the product we want to add to this page, and click on Select. The product will be added as shown in front of you. A very important thing is the variants, the colors, and sizes available. We will click here on them, and then choose this option, Radio Buttons. They will start to be added in this way, but the colors are not yet available within the product. We will start by clicking here to save, then name the page, then click here on Variants, then click on Manage Swatches. Here we choose Add Option Swatch and select Color, then Add Option. Here, as shown in front of you, it will ask you what colors are available in the store. We start by clicking on them and choose Color, and then for each color, choose its color or code and write it in this area. You can choose the color from this area or come here and search and write the name of the color, then write hex, and it will give us the code of this color here. Or we can find the codes in this area and start writing them in their place. For example, this color, and continue the rest of the colors, then click Save. If you couldn't reach these options from this area, you can come here to Extra Functions, and then Option Swatches and click Manage, and then start editing these colors easily. We will go back here and refresh. We will find that the colors are now available in this way, and this is the shape of our landing page on the computer. You can choose here its shape on the mobile in the beautiful way shown in front of you. You can edit everything, click here and edit all the existing text. Here you can change this image easily. Change the icons and everything in this landing page easily by clicking on it and then editing anything. Also, here you can change the frequently asked questions by clicking on the question and then start editing all the existing texts easily as shown in front of you. Then we will click here on Save and Publish, and here you will write the name of the landing page and its link will be here. We will start by clicking on Continue, and here it asks you if you want this page to be the main page of the product. Meaning if your customer goes to this product and clicks on it, instead of seeing this page, they will see the page you designed now. So we can select the product and then click on the product and move it to the right like this. So the product will be in this area, then click on Publish, then click Publish again, and thus the page is published. You can see the page from here as shown in front of you. Every time you choose a color, the color and the image related to it will appear, and the product page is clear in front of you in this way. If we go back and click here on Pages, we will find the page here and the page is already published. We will start by clicking here on Page Settings, then click on Go to Theme Editor. We will find here that the old page is on top and the new page is at the bottom in this area. We will start by deleting the sections of the old page or hiding them in this way, and thus the landing page becomes the main page. We will start by clicking here on Save, and if we go back to the products and start looking at this product, we will find that the landing page has indeed become the main page of our product. And that's it. This was our explanation today for creating a professional landing page on Shopify. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow our weekly tutorials.